In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Booking.com affiliate program. If you're planning to monetize travel content in 2026, there's one important update to know. New Booking.com affiliates now apply through partner networks instead of a direct, standalone Booking.com account. I'll guide you through the official flow and share practical tips so you can get approved and start earning with minimal friction. Start at the official Booking.com affiliate partner page. This is the doorway to the program and the safest place to begin. On that page, you'll see how commissions work, the tools you'll get, and a clear register button. Double-check you're on the real Booking.com site, then click Register to proceed. You'll be asked how you want to sign up, and this is where the new approach appears. Booking.com typically routes applications through two major affiliate networks. CJ. Affiliate usually covers Europe and nearby regions, while Awin is commonly used for North America, Asia Pacific, and Latin America. The site will prompt you to pick your region and then send you to the appropriate network based on where your audience or business operates. If your region isn't listed with those two, the partner page will point you to the local network option. If you already have a CJ or Awin account, you can use it. Otherwise, you'll create one during this process. Choose the network that best matches your primary audience geography, as that often speeds up approvals and payouts. Next, complete the affiliate application on the network you selected. Sign in or create your network account. Then enter your basic details, including your website or promotional property, and a short description of how you plan to promote Booking.com. Add any required payment and tax information so you can receive commissions without delays. Accuracy matters here. Make sure your business name, URL, and promotional methods align with what's on your site or app. Submit the application and watch for approval, which typically arrives within a few days. During review, they look for clear, compliant content and a legitimate traffic strategy, so ensure your site is accessible, up-to-date, and transparent about your audience. Remember to follow disclosure requirements in your region. Once approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard. Grab your unique Booking.com tracking links, banners, and any available widgets, and place them on your blog, website, app, email where allowed, or social channels in line with network policies. Use link tools to create deep links to specific destinations or properties, and always test your links to confirm tracking works. When someone clicks your link and completes a booking, you earn a commission, typically a share of Booking.com's commission on that reservation. Payouts are generally monthly through your chosen network, and you may need to meet a minimum threshold, often around €100 or the local equivalent. Keep an eye on reporting to see what content converts, and refine your placements, creatives, and deep links to grow your results.